Today we are going to read a Follett ebook that I checked out in Destiny Discover. It's called Superbuns, Kindness is Her Superpower by Diane Credensor. To turn the pages, I'll come over here to the right and click that little arrow. Superbuns, Kindness is Her Superpower, Diane Credensor. This is called the title page because it has the title on it. For Charlie Kilgris, kind and super. This is called the dedication page. This is where the author or the illustrator dedicates the book to someone that they care about. Superbuns was super kind. Listening ears, big caring eyes, warm happy smile, huge heart, and a fluffy tail. It's just cute. She loved being kind no matter what her big sister Blossom said. Thanks, Superbuns! Superbuns, huh? For the 10 billionth time, your name is Buns. You're not a superhero. Blossom was 100% positive superheroes have powers like strength, speed, and leaping tall buildings in a single bound. And as Blossom always told Buns, kind is kind. But it's not a superpower. Blossom was a know-it-all. She knew everything about everything. I know everything about everything. Fact. Kangaroos cannot hop backward, and I know that almonds are a member of the rose family. And fact. Dinosaurs lay eggs. And fact. The planet Venus spins backward. Fact. Bumbershoot is another word for umbrella. 2 facts. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain, and a peanut is not a nut. And I know you can't eat hot cobbler without cold milk. So come on. The bunnies were on their way to Grammy's with a fresh-baked, piping-hot carrot cobbler. Heidi, your smile makes me smile. Here you go, fishy fish. 1 pancake coming up. Blossom thought all this kindness was slowing them down. Kind, schmind. Kind will get you nothing but cold cobbler. Make it snappy, Buns. We've still got to pick up milk. Poof! But Buns couldn't help being super. Superbuns! Even to her sister. After you, Blossom. And after you too, Miss Fox. I noticed that you've been following us all day. Did you say Fox? Oh no, look what happened. Blossom knew exactly what to do. Run, Buns, run! I know all about foxes first. She'll gobble up the cobbler, then she'll gobble up us. Here you go. Thank you, Miss Fox. I won't gobble up your cobbler, miss, or you. I'm not hungry. I'm lost. Can you help me get home? Blossom was speechless. Almost. Lost? Well, why didn't you say so? I know everything about being lost. Did you know that the most common lost items are keys, phones, eyeglasses, and shoes? Once Buns lost her homework, and I found it in Miss Lynn's flower pot. The lost city of Atlantis has never been found, and Roanoke was the lost colony. I know that the letters in lost can also spell lot and slot, and that lost is the past tense form of lose. And Granny once told me that I am never lost for words. So we just take Bunny Lane to Carrot Drive until we come to Miss Muffin's Marvelous Muffins, and then we'll make a sharp right turn up a hill onto North Hasselhop Drive. Well, we'll follow that all the way to Foxtrot Trail, and you're home. Thanks for helping me not be lost, Super Blossom. And just like that, Blossom learned she didn't know everything about everything. Maybe Buns was right. Maybe being kind was kind of super. Let's go get that milk, Super Buns. Grammy's waiting. Blossom knows everything. I know that a sneeze can travel at a speed of up to 100 miles per hour. Lobsters pee from their faces, and turtles can breathe through their butts. The oldest living tree in the world is around 5,000 years old. Male seahorses give birth, and I know that kindness is not a superpower. Now that we have read Superbuns, I want you to find a piece of paper and to create an illustration or a drawing of your superpower. I want you to draw a picture of you being kind in some way. Draw yourself a little cape too to show that it is your superpower. I hope you enjoyed this story. I can't wait to see all of your drawings. Once you are done with your drawings, at the end of activity class, when your teacher comes back on, make sure you show her your drawings. She will love them. Bye for now.